Hey everybody, here is the electric trunk release on an EG hatchback. So right now, the trunk is open. Locked. And here we go. Doesn't take much. That's it. Lock. And unlock. So there is where I put the actuator. This is from Amazon. It's your typical 12-volt door lock actuator. And the rod is attached there. That's how I have it right now. I have added this spring. I drilled that little hole, looped it around there, so at least when the rod pushes it this way, that piece will actually return a little more than just the spring that's inside here. It gives it a little bit of extra assistance. So that's how she's gonna go. Lines up like that. The actuator goes across. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to wire it up so it looks OEM. Stay tuned. All right. You guys ready for this? So I basically took the original cable pull tab, bent it out a little bit, okay, as you can see, and have it's a 33B switch. So now when I pull up on the trunk release, yes, 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 no more cables. Well, I got the cable for the hatch release, or the gas release, but look at this one. It's not much better. That's going to be interesting to fix.